Hello friends, today we'll show you how to add emoji to your iPhone keyboard or in your iPad. Let's come a look. On your screen find settings and tap on it. Next step, scroll down and find general menu. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find keyboard. Tap on it. Here you can see keyboard. Tap on it and tap add new keyboard. Now scroll down and find emoji. Now we find it. You can see emoji. Tap on it. That's it. You can see emoji added to my keyboard. For example, we're testing some of it. We tap some message, tap message, and you can see switch emoji, and now emoji on my keyboard.
Friends, thanks for watching. I hope the video was useful to you. Support me by subscribing to channel. It is not difficult for you, but for me it's very important. Also like this video.